Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth connection issues on your Nothing Phone 4a. So first, we're going to cover the entire Bluetooth troubleshooting. What we're going to do first is we're going to turn it off and turn it on. This is the quickest restart. We're going to go to network and internet. Here, sorry, not the network and internet, but the connected devices. Here we got the previously connected devices, and those are the devices that we want to see. So as you guys can see, I got my AirPods right here. What we're going to do first is we're going to unpair them and repair them again. So as you guys can see, they are connecting. And what we're going to do is, if your headphones are not connecting, we're going to click on this gear icon right here. We're going to go and click forget device. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to simply reconnect them. So we're going to go over now and go to pair new device. And we want to make sure that our AirPods, for my example, are here. So you need to find the pairing option for your headphones. Every headphone is different. So as you guys can see, all I have to do is just tap twice on my case because I am using the AirPods Pro Freeze. And now they are connected again. What you guys can also do is go over here and press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now tap restart, and now the phone is restarting. So this is a quick refresh of the system. We want to do that right off the bat after connecting our headphones to refresh the entire system and to fix the Bluetooth. So I'll see you guys in a second once the phone turns on. After the restart, what you guys want to do is simply update your software. So this will be very useful if you still got the problems for connecting your either headphones or the car audio system. So now after the restart, what we're going to do is we're going to open up settings and scroll all the way down to the bottom. So we're going to click about phone, and here click on Nothing OS 4.1. We're going to click on the Nothing OS, and as you guys can see, it says that my system is up to date. But if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version of the software because older versions tend to have a lot more glitches. So that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.